The last time I asked this question, people got really hostile, so let's see how it goes this time. Hey guys, this is Jules with True Crime Reactions. Disclaimer: everything stated in this video is my opinion and my opinion only, and just like everything else in these cases we discuss here on this channel, everything is alleged. I want to know why the state felt the need to release a photo to the public as state's evidence that was doctored, and why the defense never said a damn thing about it. This is not a conspiracy the way that one a-hole tried to act like the last time I asked this. This is not me defending really anyone other than protocols that don't seem to be being followed. When evidence is supposed to be submitted in a criminal case or in anything when it comes to the justice system, whether it be civil courts, whether it be tort cases, anything that has to do with anything where you have to produce evidence, it's not supposed to be doctored. It's not supposed to be edited in any way. So I want to know why the state gave us this photo. This is the selfie photo that they released of Bryan Kohberger that they claim he took in his apartment a few hours after the time of the crimes that took place. So why did they give us a doctored photo? How do we know that it's doctored? Well, because we have 3 different versions of this exact same one. Again, this is the one that the state gave us. As you can see, he basically matches the shower tile or the linoleum in the shower in this photo. He's completely faded into one color. Darkened shadowing has been added to his face. His eyebrows are very prominent in this one, okay? Then Dateline released this version of this photo. Now, the way that you can tell that they did a lot of AI stuff to this is the fact that there's a lot more in the background when it comes to the shower than we have in the state's evidence. But also, because there's more in the background of this photo than there is in the original photo. Oh, hold on. The original photo, you say? Yes, the original photo. Hold on, guys. Before we go any further into today's video, I need to introduce you to today's video sponsor, Aura. Aura is a service that not only helps protect your information for it being out on the dark web, it being in the midst of a data breach, somebody having a password that they shouldn't have. It also helps you protect your location when it comes to their VPN. You can track what your kids are doing online to make sure that their web experience is a safe one. And they even have coverage that comes with the subscription just in case something does happen. You do not have to go through all of the fixing and all of the correcting of all of the mess on your own. I have been with Aura since the day that my free trial actually did expire, and have been paying for it out of pocket ever since, because I truly believe that they are everything that they claim they are. Seriously, truly, I appreciate this service. Click the link down in my description box to get 2 weeks free on me. Put your information in and see just what's out there that they can help you clean up. They can help you get your information off of all of these brokerage sites. As a matter of fact, they do the majority of it for you. So again, click the link down in the description box to get 2 weeks free on me to give it a shot and see just what I'm talking about, or go to aura.com/Jules. That's aura.com/JULEZ to try it for 2 weeks on me. Let me know just what you found. I'm super curious. Now back to the video. We got the information straight from Cellebrite. Remember when I asked them for the Google Drive link that had the information, they sent it over. This is how the photo came from Bryan Kohberger's phone. So this is not only proof that the other 2 are completely edited, but also proof that Dateline did some sort of weird AI stuff in order to fill in the background even more than what the original photo actually shows. I don't understand why the last time I asked this, people got upset. I got called all kinds of things. People came in there telling me that I was grasping at straws. What is it grasping at to simply ask why the state is producing an altered photo? That's a valid question. It's a serious situation that's actually happening. It's not something that's being made up. Here are the 3 different versions of this photo that we have received from 3 different people. Now, the Dateline one, you can take that away if you want to, but Celebrite were the witnesses who did the analysis. They're the ones that are in the court record. This is the original photo. This would have been the one that they got from the evidence that the state also has. This would have been the one that came from the phone that Bryan Kohberger took this photo on. So why, when the state produced it, they gave it to us like this? Why is a valid question. So again, I don't know why people got upset and acted all kinds of crazy about me asking this when it's obvious that this is the situation. And anyone that knows anything about the way that evidence is supposed to be presented, they know that it's not supposed to be doctored, edited, manipulated in any way. So, okay, I'm asking the question, Santa, Jennings, why? Why did you present a photo that was incredibly doctored instead of just giving us the one that actually came from his phone? There's no way you didn't know that eventually we would see the actual photo that came in as evidence. You knew eventually we were going to be noticing this and asking this question. So was this doctored photo really the one that was going to be allowed at trial? And if so, Judge Hippler, why the hell were you going to allow that to happen? I want answers. And if you don't want answers, then I honestly don't know what you're here for. Sorry, not sorry about it. But I want to know what you guys are thinking about this down in the comments. These are drastically different. Drastically different. Wild. If you like the way that I present this information and give my opinion, please don't forget to leave a like on the way out. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already. And please don't forget to make sure that that notification bell is set to all so you don't miss any of my rants, reviews, reactions, updates, or deep dives. See y'all.